Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will show you the way how to do share screen on Zoom meeting by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Zoom application, and after that you just need to create a new meeting and just start the meeting right away. And here is, since you are the host, you have an access to do the share screen for your meeting. So to do the share screen on your Zoom application or Zoom meeting, you just need to go click the screen to activate the features down here. So you just need to take a look on this feature and slide the feature into the left side until you found the share button, and then you just need to go click it. And to do the share screen, you just need to go click the screen, and after that you will have an access to share all of the screen or screen activity of your phone to the meeting participant. And so that's the way, guys, how to do a share screen on a Zoom meeting and Zoom application by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.